आज हम मैनेजरियल इकोनॉमिक्स पढ़ेंगे। सबसे पहले हम इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ मैनेजरियल इकोनॉमिक्स देखेंगे। इकोनॉमिक्स इज अ सोशल साइंस विच स्टडीज ह्यूमन बिहेवियर इन रिलेशन टू ऑप्टिमाइजिंग एलोकेशन ऑफ अवेलेबल रिसोर्सेज टू अचीव द गिवन एंड्स. Second, Brightman and Pappas define managerial economics as the application of economic theory and methodology to business and administration practice. Managerial economics. Managerial economics is a branch of economics. Managerial economics is the study of economic theories, principles, and concepts which is used in managerial decision making. Managerial economics is the application of various theories, concepts, and principles of economics in the business decision. It also includes the application of mathematical and statistical tools in management decision. By Douglas, managerial economics is the application of economic principles and methodologies to the decision making process within the firm or organizations. By Pappas and Hirschi, managerial economics applies economic theory and methods to business and administrative decision making. By Shalvator, managerial economics refers to the application of economic theories and the tools of analysis of decisions science to examine how the organizations can be achieved. By Spencer and Sigelman, managerial economics is the integration of economic theory with business practices for the purpose of facilitating decision making and forward planning by management. By Meiner and Merriam, managerial economics is the use of economic models of thoughts of analyze business situations. By Jill and Dean, the purpose of managerial economics is to how economic analysis can be used. Concept of managerial economics. Managerial economics is the discipline that deals with the application of economic concepts, theories, and methodologies to the practice problem of business firm in order to formulate rational managers decisions for solve those problems. It uses the tools and techniques of economic analysis to solve managerial problems or to achieve the firm's desired objectives. It is the branch of economics. आगे अब हम नेचर एंड स्कोप ऑफ मैनेजरियल इकोनॉमिक्स देखेंगे. फर्स्ट हम नेचर ऑफ मैनेजरियल इकोनॉमिक्स. नेचर ऑफ मैनेजरियल इकोनॉमिक्स. आर्ट्स एंड साइंस. pragmatic, management oriented, prescriptive, normative discipline, multidisciplinary, uses macroeconomics. Economics. Nature of micro managerial economics. First is close to microeconomics. Second is operates against the backdrop of macroeconomics. Third is normative statements. Fourth, prescriptive action. 5, applied in nature. And 6, offers scope to evaluate each alternative. 7th, interdisciplinary. 8 is assumptions and limitations. आगे हम स्कोप ऑफ मैनेजरियल इकोनॉमिक्स देखेंगे. First, demand analysis and forecasting. Second, cost analysis, production and supply analysis, pricing decisions, policies and practices, profit management, and capital management. Managerial economics refers to its area of study. Managerial economics is basically concerned with the application of economic principles and theories to 5 types of resources decision made by all types of business organizations. The selections of product and services to be produced, the method of productions and resources combinations, the determination of the best price and quantity combination, active or promotional strategy, the selection to the location from which to produce and sell goods and services to consumer. First is theory of demand, theory of production, theory of exchange or price theory, theory of profit, theory of capital and investment. Last one is environmental issues. बेसिक टूल्स इन मैनेजरियल इकोनॉमिक्स देखेंगे. फर्स्ट इज इंक्रीमेंटल प्रिंसिपल. सेकंड, इक्वी मार्जिनल प्रिंसिपल, अपॉर्चुनिटी कॉस्ट प्रिंसिपल, टाइम पर्सपेक्टिव प्रिंसिपल्स. लास्ट वन इज डिस्काउंटिंग प्रिंसिपल. रोल ऑफ मैनेजरियल इकोनॉमिक्स देखेंगे. मैनेजरियल इकोनॉमिक्स प्लेज key role in the process of the firm by assisting management in using the specialized and complicated techniques and method which are required to make the process of decision making and planning. Hence all the large business and industrial enterprises in developed countries employ one or more managerial economists who studies and analyzes the following internal and external factors that may influence the characteristics of managerial economics देखेंगे. फर्स्ट है माइक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स इन नेचर, सेकंड थ्योरी ऑफ फर्म और इकोनॉमिक ऑफ फर्म, थर्ड importance of microeconomics to, fourth applied approach. How is managerial economics useful? Economics theory and methodology lay down rules for improving business activity and public policy decisions. Managerial economics help managers to recognize how economic forces affect organizations and describes the economic consequences of managerial behavior. Thank you.